Kisama number 1, Dipo. Currently, I am pursuing my Bachelor of Science.
Hi, ma. Yes, thank you so much. Love you all guys. Thank myself from Tiriteron. I hail from the beautiful place for Philippine Caribbean Long. Currently, I'm pursuing Bachelor of Arts in Bocatan College. From this year, it will be my 6th time participating in Mr.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are our contestants for this year 2024 to the KYF.
Niliata ningkani korati Nili Gacha Libong lake BA Hiniang deng Rabindranath Tagore University Hojayalo Nili ning kahang asai lake Lunjir kitok Hirjir kihir Hirjir kitok Lape nili kalang Thedunga ke mang lake Inut lothan bang Si nili cepat sini alam sering tau ni kalau Tumbe thang me kurang tu kadong
Pardon, Tarangso! Good evening to honorable juries and to all the beautiful souls present here. I am Vanessa Timung, your contestant number 14, and tonight I am proudly presenting from Romiso Difu. I am 18 years old and currently pursuing my HS First Year Commerce stream from Don Bosco Junior College Difu. And I'm a person who loves and enjoys singing and playing football. My aim in life is to become a chartered accountant, and I'm a fashion enthusiast as well. My motto in life is to be confident and never give up. And I truly believe in being confident and never give up. And that's the fact I'm standing here tonight. I would like to encourage and motivate each and every one of you present here tonight to have a self-confidence and never giving up willingness in yourself. As is the most strongest weapon to achieve anything in life. Thank you and enjoy the show.
Wow! Misen!
Kardong Taralamso!
Kardong!
A very warm good evening to all the respected judges, guests of honors, and to all the lovely audience. I'm Sharon Mr. Rongpi. I'm your contestant number 15. I'm 19 years old. Proudly representing Dongka Mukam!
Woo! Dongka Mukam, sir!
Degree in journalism and mass communication from Hemati Nandan Bahuguna Garhwal University, Uttarakhand. Today I'm here with passion for excellence and a heart full of dreams, and to showcase my talents and radiate confidence. Thank you so much and enjoy the show. Kardong.
Hello, Diputara Lamso. First of all, good evening to all my dear respected jury and to all my dear lovely audience present here tonight. Wishing you a very happy 50th celebration of Karbi Youth Festival 2024. Your contestant number 16. My name is Sorsing Hanse. I'm 21 years old. And I am from a magnificent land, Umrangso, the Mahasao.
Oh my God!
Talking about my hobbies, my hobbies is dancing because dancing is make me happy all the time.
Oh,
And my
paya.
dream is to become a supermodel. That's my aim. I'm
Woo!
a different person and I want to become someone very special in future. But not only for me, but for my people, Karbi Anglong as well. That's why this is my 3-time participating of Mr. KYF. Lastly, but not the least, I want to say that never fail. If you fail, never give up. Focus ahead and aim your target. Thank you so much and enjoy the show.
Kadam Terol langsung.
Adam!
Neti alam neti honjina. Jutang hello, kaya raje, lamet hello, kaya cete, kacingrum hello, kaya le. Lasi, aprangsi, tinungwe, dak nagacitong dun, akote injil doan aphan, lapen paya purun, lapen litumrong, kang tunai kang tum kang sai bang bang budoan aphata, ningkan kimi, mata 50, kecokan ningkan kadong pojelo, kadong.
Adam!
Nilimen thare babuson rong phan nili kwang mon sing tia rong lang de la klam nili chari bom mang dang ing dang preni nili ata ing koi nili kai ke klem masai nili palong hanan ki tunga chirap dun mane politika bang lape nili isining ka chedo nili isi alam ke dan kang tung nili lang fel fel salong nili alo ning kan jur silket pa banglu
Wow!
nili pan ning kan jur silket pe penangan sosial media bang nili pan nage blame tundo laksini tali link chedo bon di sini tala so title one back di link chedo lasi do me tami kurang tu kado
Adam!
Nepi alam nejing honcenam. Lamet kawe khege ki thitang.
No!
Halbang so khe phan. Phur ki mota ki thike rengan beta en e. Si isya khe jang si reng nang ji pulotang te. Halbang so khe long. Jutang jubat lapen lamet lam chong ki do kenang sot. Isya khe lo yong si lamet lam chong lapen jutang jubat abe pulotang te. Halbang so khe phan. Khe gang thim butai tum hogon e. Sipini labang so ing deng poket mate siatole na sengkan karbi risunim so rong aja kata na long nanga chetong dun man peng ke do ke the ke ding pen ke cheng lok ni labang so rong aja long alira champion ang kilang dun sarfi sarfu akli mangphar risoi jang lapen tini labang so raje ka chepate ajai me kalong ini tumpan nangkang thung nangkang sai dun man peng ke do kung sai pili kung sai po lapen mekar don sui doan phan sitame nilin pen jutang kaching hon lapen ing deng thoket kar biru sinim so rong aje kadom nang paching lo don atum kadom nili thai lakha krenar kep nili man thare windom teron lapen nili rong mate nili mehan ke kadim lake ni jang kar biang long jengkha hawa lapen
Nang jinso bebelo.
Charlie bawang deng lagi BA
Ha? Aja lang me pikdi. Bangkon tarang nang ning totun lo. Nege banget thom, banget thom.
Inu Thedung University along Mesa and Asar Kuru Mote a professor. Tapan mesin ili cepat yang deng ing Tony Koglo. Do me thak me kurwang thu kado.
Kado. You're selected. Yeah, nakang deng nege.
Kung sai pi atong pan nilin pen. Ajo kemi mate indeng poket serta leng katalon akadon pa jegi lo karto.
Sobi ma. 19.
Lapen putot indeng poket lo naga cetong dun.
Ana.
Kethe kidi lapen po puru pia purun mate ingji nimarlia tuma pan nilin pen jutang kacing hon mate lamet kacing hon karto napa jegi lo karto.
Kado.
Nilimen hare sarkiri signal
Wow.
nili ke wang awar lake ke lang me noi mate karju me noi bolong ko maji awar be
Wow.
lapen nili ka charli ang deng ing deng cricket thom awar kat kole lapen nili ning ke hang lake inut Indian Army lapen nili labang so Indian Army ake mang lake nili chun bag ji pusi nili ning ka jete do lapen nili Apora teng pen me thanga sai ke chipa chunjia panta ni kyang do lapen puthot ilitum ke angila ning kan che tong thuna kar dom me thak me
Cardom!
Cardom! Karbiang long di putara langso.
Wow!
Nepi alam ne chingon chenam. Jutang hello khe je. Lamet hello khe je. Kaching room hello khe le. Pining. Sertalin karcho along na che tongdun. Pusara purun pisara purun. Prungsaya bang pu prungsaya bang pi tuman ban. Dilihin pen. Arning ang sam jin na Cardom pajiglo. Cardom!
Cardom!
Dili ben, Viren Singh di lapen, Dili rong, Kolongan Nijang Karbiang long lapen Dili ka Charlie, ang deng lake Kep lapen Dili ka Charlie, adim lake Krongjeng English High School lapen Dili kay ke Clemmer asay lake Football apatu, cricket apatu lapen Hippie polong ka machirap do lapen Dili lo Charlie niyang big lapen Dili Kemerang lake NSG Commando.
Wow!
Cardom Talanso.
Wow!
A very good evening to our respected judges, guests of honor, and the lovely audience. I am contestant number 21. My name is Sarpan Pringi, and I am from Donggamdang, West Karbiang Long.
Wow! Donggamdang sir!
I am 17 years old and currently pursuing my BA First Sem degree in Rabindranath Tagore University, Hojai. My hobbies include dancing and
Pulang ha!
Thank you.
Arjun lang may pigdi!
Okay.
Judges and all over out here. First of all, thank you for the opportunity for letting me introduce myself. My name is Sanjit Timung and I came from Wolongtong Masjid Karbiang Long. Pursuing my graduation in Riboy Sinot College, BBA, Bachelor of Business Administration in Meghalaya.
Wow!
And my strength in good in communication skill, and I'm very strong in self-motivation. That's why I want to build my self-competitions and to see my career on it. That's all I introduce myself. Thank you.
A very good evening to our respected judges, and I would like to welcome each and everyone to the 6th edition of the Mr. KYF 2024. And also, I would like to welcome each and everyone to the 50th Golden Jubilee celebration of our Karbi Youth Festival. Cardom, my name is Munsin Kro, and I am from the main town of the Karbiang Long, that is Difu. Recently, I passed on my bachelor's degree from Difu Government College as a political science honors. And my hobbies are singing, painting, and modeling as well as designing. I believe that every person in the life came from the hardworking and pleasure, because hardworking give a good sign and it shines a lot. Thank you. Cardom.
Good evening and Cardom to everyone present out here. Starting with our prestigious juries.
place called Umpanai, West Karbi Anglong. Currently, I'm pursuing my studies as a 4th semester student in English literature. I am passionate about reading and writing stories, and my hobby is traveling. My aim in life is to become a social worker, and my favorite quote is, "Fix your failure, believe in yourself, and success will run after you." Have a great evening. Thank you.
Pardon. A very wonderful good evening to respected jury members and each and everyone present here tonight. Give me a privilege to introduce myself. My name is Armand Teran. I am 20 years old. Currently I'm pursuing my Bachelor of Science degree from Gifu Government College. And I came from a very beautiful and prestigious place of Karbi Anglong called Taralangso. And I'm very much passionate about my culture because my culture is my identity. And I truly believe that success will follow us when we refuse to give up. And lastly, I truly believe in the spirit of never giving up. Thank you.
Pardon Taralangso. Aprang sila bang so.
Come on,
tay la lo cái vô sana nele rong nun tau ni ma menjadi ko sana la ke nok baby pu ko mangke wah